Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are you tired of dull, faded paint? Want to protect your ride and keep it looking showroom fresh? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top contenders for the best ceramic coat for cars. Imagine turning heads wherever you go with a glossy finish, and best of all, that protection from dirt, UV rays, and scratches. In this video, I'll reveal expert insights, honest reviews, and the real game changers that can elevate your car care routine to the next level. Plus, we'll discuss how you can save money and time while achieving that professional look at home. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's shine light on the magic of ceramic coatings. Number 5. Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This incredible product boasts extreme water repellency, thanks to its super hydrophobic SiO2 polymers. It repels water, dirt, and road contaminants, ensuring your car stays cleaner for longer between washes. You'll be amazed at the ultimate shine it delivers, with synthetic wax polymers enhancing your car's paint surfaces to achieve a brilliant, mirror-like finish that deepens color and gloss. But the benefits don't stop there. Experience long-lasting protection that withstands wash after wash, with results that can last over 6 months. Its easy application makes it a breeze to use. Simply spray on a clean, dry vehicle, aim for 1 to 2 sprays per panel, then buff with a microfiber cloth to achieve that sought-after reflective shine. For optimal results, ensure surfaces are free from oxidation and contaminants. This versatile spray is perfect for all exterior surfaces, glass, headlights, trim, and wheels, making it an ideal companion for the best ceramic coat for cars. Say goodbye to tedious upkeep and hello to effortless brilliance with Turtle Wax. Number 4. GYEON Wet Coat 500 ml, the ultimate hydrophobic ceramic spray coating that will elevate your car's appearance to a new level. This innovative product is specifically designed for car enthusiasts who desire high gloss finishes with minimal effort. With its easy DIY formula, all you need to do is spray on this coating onto a clean surface and rinse off. You'll instantly notice enhanced gloss and increased hydrophobic properties, making water bead like never before. GYEON Wet Coat acts as a game changer for maintaining the integrity of your car's ceramic coatings. Whether it's your paint, glass, wheels, or exterior plastics, this versatile spray maintains a pristine look across all surfaces. Often referred to as a ceramic spray wax, this product not only boasts high gloss but ensures long-lasting water beading. The best part? Less is more. Just 2 to 3 spritzes on a wet panel will do the trick. Suitable for anyone seeking the best ceramic coat for their car, GYEON Wet Coat is an essential addition to your car care routine. Enhance your vehicle's beauty and protection effortlessly with this incredible product that combines convenience with stunning results. Number 3. Nexgen Ceramic Spray Silicon Dioxide. Designed for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, this professional-grade sealant delivers an impenetrable layer of defense against scratches, dirt, and environmental contaminants. Formulated with the highest-grade silicon dioxide, SiO2, it not only enhances the durability of your vehicle's clear coat but also adds a mesmerizing mirror-like shine. What sets Nexgen apart is its user-friendly application. In just 3 simple steps, spray, wipe, and buff, you can provide UV protection and a deep, lustrous shine that transforms your vehicle's appearance. This versatile ceramic spray is compatible with all types of vehicles, including cars, RVs, motorcycles, boats, and ATVs, ensuring that all your rides look pristine. Nexgen's hydrophobic formulation effectively repels water and other harmful agents like dirt, bird droppings, and road grime, thereby extending the lifespan of your vehicle's finish. Plus, with enough product to coat a mid-size sedan up to 5 times, you truly get value for your money. Make Nexgen Ceramic Spray your go-to choice for the best ceramic coat for cars and elevate your vehicle's protection today. Number 2. GYEON Can Coat Evo 200 ml is your go-to solution for an effortless DIY ceramic coating. This high-quality spray ceramic coating is designed for car enthusiasts who value both performance and convenience. With its user-friendly application, CANCOAT Evo ensures a smooth wipe-on, wipe-off experience that leaves your car shining like never before. This versatile product can be used on any exterior surface, making it the best ceramic coat for cars, wheels, and plastic trims alike. One of the standout features is its remarkable hydrophobic properties. If you love seeing extreme water beads on your car, this coating will not disappoint. GYEON Can Coat delivers that stunning wet candy gloss and a warm, wax-like finish that enhances your vehicle's look while providing ample protection. With 200 milliliters in each can, you can easily reapply and maintain your ceramic coating over time. Whether you're topping up a previous coating or applying it as a standalone solution, CANCOAT Evo is one of our favorite products for exterior car care. Get ready to elevate your car's shine and protection game with GYEON CANCOAT Evo. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, this is undoubtedly one of the best investments for your vehicle's appearance and longevity. Number 1. Cerakote Professional Ceramic Coating for Cars is your ultimate solution for achieving a brilliant, long-lasting finish while protecting your vehicle's paintwork. This high-gloss, professional-grade paint protection kit boasts ultra-hydrophobic technology that creates a super-hydrophobic surface, effectively repelling water and contaminants. Say goodbye to frequent washes, as it offers a remarkable longevity of up to 500 real-world car washes. What sets Cerakote apart is its advanced UV and chemical resistance, safeguarding your vehicle from harmful rays, bird droppings, acid rain, and road chemicals. This product isn't just talk. Cerakote stands as the world's leading and most trusted ceramic coating. With an easy application kit that includes a detailed instruction guide and applicator pad, even novices can achieve professional results with minimal hassle. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want your vehicle to shine, look no further. Cerakote is the best ceramic coat for car protection available on the market today. Experience superior, long-lasting benefits, and keep your car looking new with this innovative paint protection solution. Protect your investment with Cerakote. In conclusion, choosing the best ceramic coat for your car can greatly enhance its durability and shine, providing lasting protection against environmental elements. Whether you prioritize ease of application, longevity, or hydrophobic properties, there's a product that suits your needs. Remember to carefully follow the application instructions for optimal results. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision for your vehicle's care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts to help them find the perfect ceramic coat too.